News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Rajkot, Delhi Police Housing Corporation Limited, Central Employment Exchange, Municipal Corporation Chandigarh, Power Grid, Staff Selection Commission, National School of Drama and Special Economic Zone Nagpur. The Executive Director, All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Rajkot invites applications from interested and suitable Indian nationals and overseas citizens of India (OCI) for the recruitment of the following faculty post on contractual recruitment basis from retired faculty of institutes of national importance and government medical college and hospitals in terms of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare OM dated 16th November 2017 for initial 1 year and extendable for another 1 year or till the incumbent attains the age of 70 years. The slight deviation while keeping the spirit of the OM of the ministry is on account of the fact that the institute is in its infancy stage as of now and is also making efforts towards regular recruitments in phases. One post of Professor Consultant in the departments of Biochemistry, Anesthesiology, Dentistry, Dermatology, ENT, General Medicine, General Surgery, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Ophthalmology, Orthopedics, Pediatrics, Psychiatry and Radiology. The aspiring applicants satisfying the eligibility criteria in all respect can submit their application through registered speed post or dark submission so as to reach AIIMS Rajkot on or before 30 days of publication of advertisement notification in Employment News. The date falling on the 30 days of publication in Employment News will be the crucial date of application and will be notified on the website www.aimsrajkot.edu.in. MS Word copy of the application along with scanned copies of attachments should simultaneously be sent on email aims.rajkot.recruitment@gmail.com duly mentioning the subject of the email name application for contractual faculty recruitment or June 2021 or advertisement number post for which applied. Appointment for the post of Executive Engineer in Delhi Police Housing Corporation Limited on deputation basis is invited initially for a period of 3 years and extendable up to 5 years maximum by engineering officers working in various ministries or departments of central government and state governments, example CPWD, MCD, PWD, DDA, DSIIDC, NDMC, DMRC, Delhi Jal Board, CAPFs or government PSUs, etc. Central Employment Exchange invites applications for one post of vocational instructor, automobile repairing by various employers indicated in the advertisement within 60 days of date of advertisement in the prescribed format, Annexure 2 given at the end of the advertisement. Applications received after due date will not be considered. In continuation of recruitment notice dated 26th March 2021 published in various newspapers for recruitment of various posts in Municipal Corporation Chandigarh, online applications are invited from eligible candidates for filling up the following post on temporary basis likely to be regularized in the Municipal Corporation Chandigarh. 3 posts of Station Fire Officer, 220 posts of Fireman and 56 posts of driver. For details regarding qualifications, age, experience, nationality of the applicant, category-wise vacancies, selection criteria including details of written examination, application fee and how to apply online, etc., as well as for other terms and conditions, candidates are advised to visit the department website www.mcchandigarh.gov.in. Last date for submission of application form will be 30th 30th July 2021, and for deposit of fee, the last date will be 3rd August 2021. Application other than online mode shall not be accepted. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Power Grid, is a Schedule A Maharatna public sector enterprise of Government of India which was incorporated on 23rd October 1989 under the Companies Act 1956. Power Grid is a listed company with 51.34% holding of Government of India, and the balance is held by institutional investors and public. Power Grid, a company operating under Ministry of Power, is the central transmission utility (CTU) of the country, responsible for planning, coordination and development of interstate transmission system. Power Grid invites online applications from eligible candidates for apprenticeship in different trades for 1 year duration under the provisions of the Apprenticeship Act 1961 and its subsequent amendments. Detailed advertisement or notification is available in the career section in the company website at www.powergrid.in. Interested candidates who possess the required education must first register themselves in the website of apprenticeshipindia.org or portal.mhrdnats.gov.in as the case may be. Closing date of application will be 20th August 2021. Staff Selection Commission will conduct an open competitive examination for recruitment to the post of Constable General Duty in Border Security Force BSF, Central Industrial Force CISF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Sashastra Seema Bal, Secretariat Security Force and Rifleman General Duty in Assam Rifles AR as per the recruitment scheme formulated by the Ministry of Home Affairs and as per the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Ministry of Home Affairs and the Staff Selection Commission. The recruitment process will consist of computer-based examination CBE, Physical Efficiency Test PET, Physical Standard Test PST and medical examination and document verification. Last date and time for receipt of online applications is 31st August 2021. Applications must be submitted in online mode at the official website of the Commission, that is ssc.nic.in. For detailed instructions, please refer to Annexure 1 and Annexure 2 of this notice. The National School of Drama is one of the foremost theatre training institutions in the world and the only one of its kind in India. It was set up by the Sangeet Natak Akademi as one of its constituent units in 1959. Training in the school is highly intensive and is based on a thorough, comprehensive, carefully planned syllabus which covers every aspect of theatre and which theory is related to practice. As part of their training, students are required to produce plays which are then performed before the public. And now the vacancies. National School of Drama invites applications for the following post: 1 post of Assistant Professor, Classical Indian Drama, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Music, and 1 post of Sound Technician. Candidates are required to apply online only by using the URL recruitment.nsd.gov.in or nsd.gov.in. Last date for receipt of applications is 16th August 2021. Applications are invited for filling up the following post in Mihan Special Economic Zone, Nagpur, under jurisdiction of Zonal Development Commissioner SEEPZ SEZ on deputation cost recovery basis. 2 posts of Assistant Development Commissioner. Last date for receipt of application is 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Detailed advertisement including prescribed format of application form is available at www.seepz.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News, This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.